Ours is a culture of tradition, craftsmanship, ingenuity, innovation. Ideas lead to creations with the power to impact the way we live, the way we do things. Together, we are changing the world. The ways products are designed, made, and used are evolving. Increased customer demands, connected products, and advanced technologies are transforming products into services. To be competitive today, product development organizations must collaborate, create products that are personalized and manufactured at the point of demand, all while exploring service offerings that will enhance your customer relationships and delivering recurring revenues. This is the future of making things. The path to get there is Autodesk Product Innovation Platform, a connected ecosystem to help you design, make, and use products. We stand on the verge of redefining the innovation design practice. Generative design has the propensity to render traditional design techniques obsolete, unifying the fields of industrial design, mechanical engineering, integrating electrical and electronic design. The line between design and manufacturing is breaking down. Producers, manufacturers, and makers disrupt and outpace competition, made possible by connected design and manufacturing technologies. For the first time in history, we're connecting field operations of manufactured products with the design of next-generation machines, equipping manufacturers with a truly agile product development process, opening the door to providers of industrial equipment to derive incremental revenue streams with the ability to offer aftermarket services and ultimately, product-as-a-service business models. This is the future of making things. Your journey begins with the Autodesk Product Innovation Platform. Together, we'll transform the way you design, make, and use your products.